Welcome back to another video. As you know, Formula 1 or F1 is the top level of international auto racing that is regulated by the Fédération Internationale d'Automobile, also known as the FIA. It features a number of races called Grand Prix that are held all over the world. It is the pinnacle of car racing technology and driver skill. Now let's dive deeper and take a look into the world of F1. Today we'll take a look at Ferrari's thrilling revelation, a special livery for the upcoming Las Vegas Grand Prix. Let's witness how Ferrari integrates the past and current time for this event in preparation for the Las Vegas Grand Prix. Ferrari has presented a spectacular livery update for its SF23. The design is an homage to the glory days of Formula 1 in the United States. The SF23 features more white than normal, particularly with an all-new all-white rear wing. The engine cover's top has also been changed, with a retro-style print for the driver's numbers, a true throwback in style. This livery is more than simply a fashion statement. It pays homage to Ferrari's rich past. Consider Mario Andretti, Niki Lauda, and Gilles Villeneuve, who dominated courses in America during F1's first golden age. Andretti's victory in the South African Grand Prix in 1971, Lauda's world titles and Watkins Glen victory in 1975 and 1977, and Villeneuve's American double in 1979 highlight Ferrari's American adventure. Interestingly, Ferrari is the only active team that competed in the 1982 F1 race in Las Vegas. This year's livery is more than just a design choice. It represents their deep attachment to this historic city. Ferrari's new livery is a perfect blend of history, pride, and racing spirit as it prepares for the Las Vegas Grand Prix. Stay tuned for more as we follow more F1 news and racing in general. Anyway, what do you think of Ferrari's new paint job? Do you enjoy it? Please let me know in the comments section below. Thank you for tuning in. Remember to leave a like, subscribe if you're new, and ring the bell if you love anything to do with racing. Have a good one, and I'll see you again soon.
You know the rules, and so do I.